The 5 Secrets of Getting Things Done Promptly. In this tutorial, I will teach you the 5 secrets of how to get things done promptly. First, start your project early, either on the first day of the project period or even earlier if possible. Many people get into trouble because they procrastinate and wait beyond the first day to get started. This often leads to poorer quality work and frayed nerves, because many people tend to wait and not get off to a good start. Start promptly. Second, you need to work diligently each day. Don't think you can take it easy if you get off to a good start. You need to focus and put as much effort into each day's work in order to do your highest quality work in the least amount of time possible. Third, you need to focus on the task at hand, and only on the task at hand. Don't think about a step later in the project, including some potential problem or issue that may occur later in the project. Also, don't think about any family problems or issues, or anything not related to the project either. You need to keep your mind focused on the task at hand to do your best work in the least amount of time possible. Fourth, you need to take regular breaks in order to keep your mind sharp and focused. Virtually no one can work non-stop for hours at a time. This is why you need to take regular breaks here and there. Many experts suggest working 45 to 50 minutes of an hour and taking a 10-minute break each hour. Being able to take regular breaks is another key reason why you need to start each project on time or earlier, and work diligently throughout the project so you can afford to take the breaks you need to keep your mind sharp and focused without completing your project later than expected. Fifth, think about the rewards you will receive and the feelings you will have once the project is completed. Rewards can include such things as money, recognition, and more time to spend with family or friends, and doing things you like to do in your free time. Feelings can include a sense of accomplishment and relief that you did great work for a project, and completed it on time or even earlier than expected. Now you know the 5 secrets of getting things done promptly.